Introduce short overview with pictures or video. This is video introduce about AUTOGEN 55A non-touch pilot ARC air plasma cutter dual voltage, 110, 220 volt, 1/2 inch clean cut maximum. 2/3 inch, or 17 mm, IGBT inverter plasma cutting machine. You enter are here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating, and because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability you will get acquire early. Reviews on products that have few or no reviews, of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't miss if you buy AUTOGEN 55A non-touch pilot ARC air plasma cutter dual voltage, 110, 220 volt, 1/2 inch clean cut maximum. 2/3 inch, or 17 mm, IGBT inverter plasma cutting machine. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for watching.